Have you ever wondered why two creators can upload nearly identical videos, yet one explodes with views while the other disappears into the algorithm's basement? There's a hidden pattern most creators miss, a quiet force shaping everything from your impressions to your long-term growth. And if you don't understand this force, you're leaving an unbelievable amount of opportunity on the table. So before we dive into today's narrative, hold that question in your mind, because the answer is far more surprising than you think. Today, we're diving into the essential strategies that can elevate your channel and boost your growth. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, we'll explore effective techniques that can help you gain more views, subscribers, and engagement. Get ready to uncover tips that are often overlooked but can make a significant difference in your YouTube journey. Stick around as we reveal these game-changing insights that could transform your channel into a thriving community. Understanding YouTube's algorithm. YouTube's algorithm plays a crucial role in determining your video's visibility. It prioritizes engagement metrics such as watch time and likes, meaning the more viewers interact with your content, the better your chances of being recommended. Additionally, content relevance is key. Videos that align with viewers' interests are more likely to appear in their feeds. Consistent posting schedules also favor the algorithm, as regular uploads signal to YouTube that you're an active creator. By understanding these factors, you can enhance your channel's performance and reach a wider audience. Creating compelling content. Creating engaging and shareable video content starts with the art of storytelling. A captivating narrative keeps viewers hooked and encourages them to share your videos. Additionally, high-quality visuals and sound are essential. They enhance the overall viewing experience and reflect your professionalism. Don't forget to incorporate viewer feedback into your content creation process. By listening to your audience's preferences and suggestions, you can improve relevance and foster a stronger connection with your viewers. These elements combined will help you craft videos that resonate and inspire sharing. Optimizing video metadata. Optimizing your video metadata is crucial for discoverability on YouTube. Start by using relevant keywords effectively in your titles and descriptions. This helps the algorithm understand your content and improves search rankings. Tags also play a significant role, as they assist YouTube in categorizing your videos, making it easier for viewers to find them. Additionally, don't underestimate the power of eye-catching thumbnails. They can significantly increase your click-through rates by attracting viewers' attention. By focusing on these elements, you can enhance your video's visibility and reach a broader audience. Engaging with your audience. Building a community around your channel is essential for long-term success. One effective way to foster viewer relationships is by responding to comments. This shows your audience that you value their input and encourages further interaction. Hosting live Q&A sessions can also strengthen connections, allowing viewers to engage with you in real time and ask questions directly. Additionally, consider creating polls or surveys to involve your audience in content decisions. This not only makes them feel included but also helps you tailor your videos to their interests, enhancing overall engagement. Leveraging social media. Using social media platforms is a powerful way to promote your YouTube content. Sharing your videos on platforms like Instagram and Twitter can significantly increase visibility and drive traffic to your channel. Collaborating with other creators is another effective strategy. It allows you to tap into their audience and expand your reach. Additionally, consider creating teaser content specifically for social media. Short clips or engaging visuals can pique interest and encourage viewers to check out the full video on YouTube. By leveraging these strategies, you can enhance your channel's growth and engagement. Analyzing performance metrics. Tracking video performance is essential for making informed, data-driven decisions. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into viewer behavior, helping you understand what resonates with your audience. Regularly reviewing metrics allows you to identify which content types are successful, enabling you to replicate those strategies in future videos. Additionally, it's important to adapt your approach based on performance data. If certain topics or formats aren't performing well, consider pivoting your content strategy. By analyzing these metrics, you can continuously improve your channel and better meet your audience's needs. To round up, achieving YouTube success involves understanding the algorithm, creating compelling content, optimizing your metadata, engaging with your audience, leveraging social media, and analyzing performance metrics. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your channel's growth and visibility. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to explore our related content on our channel at MoneyGame AI for more tips and insights. Together, let's continue this journey toward YouTube success. Earlier, I asked you a question: why two nearly identical videos can perform so differently? Now you've seen the answer unfold. Growth isn't luck, it's strategy. And creators who master these principles don't just win the algorithm starts working for them.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.